English speaking practice. Topic: Talking with friends. Part 1, Introduction. Hello friends. Welcome back to English speaking practice. Today's topic is talking with friends. This practice will improve your daily conversation skills. Speak loudly and confidently. Let's begin. Part 2, Meeting a friend. Today, I met my friend after a long time. I was very happy to see him. We greeted each other warmly. We sat together in a park. The weather was pleasant. Many children were playing nearby. We started talking about our lives. Part 3, Friendly Conversation. A. Hello, how have you been? B. I have been good. What about you? A. I am doing well too. B. What are you doing these days? A. I am learning English speaking online. B. That's wonderful. How is your experience? A. It is very interesting and helpful. B. Great. Keep practicing every day. Part 4, Talking about hobbies. A. What do you do in your free time? B. I like reading books and watching videos. A. That sounds nice. B. What about you? A. I enjoy listening to music and cooking. B. Cooking is a very useful skill. A. Yes, I love trying new recipes. Part 5, Motivation Conversation. Good friends always support each other. They motivate us to do better. Positive people bring happiness in life. I like spending time with good friends. Talking in English with friends helps a lot. It improves speaking confidence quickly. Practice is the key to success. Part 6, Confidence Building. I can speak English confidently. I am improving every day. I am not shy anymore. I enjoy learning English. I can speak in front of people. I believe in hard work and practice. My English is becoming better day by day. Part 7, Closing. Thank you for practicing today. Repeat these conversations again and again. Daily practice will improve your fluency. Keep learning and keep smiling. See you in the next English speaking practice session.